In this video, we will learn how to use keyboard shortcuts in Gmail. So let's start. This is my Gmail account. Before you can use the keyboard shortcut, you need to enable them. To on the keyboard shortcuts key, go to the setting first. Just go to the setting, click on the see all settings option. Then here the general tab, drag down the below. Here you see the option keyboard shortcuts off, and for using the keyboard shortcut key, click on the on. Okay, then drag down the below and click on the save. That's it. Now you can use the your keyboard shortcut key. Just press the shift question mark. Here you see all keyboard shortcut key is showing, so you can use it. Here the below advanced shortcut key also available, so you can use this also. So this is a way you can use the keyboard shortcut key in Gmail. So hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.